Good morning, everybody. Justin here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a really good day today. Today we're talking about 5 of the best cashback rewards cards. In this channel, we talk about using credit cards and rewards points to get the most out of life. So if that sounds good to you, you can hit the like button and then subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate that a lot. You don't have to, but it would mean a lot to me. Cashback cards are a great place to get started with credit cards. They offer basic value that anyone can use, and everyone can appreciate just getting cash back. And they can also be used to supplement travel cards with extra spending and extra rewards on different categories. 4 out of the 5 cards on my list have no annual fee. The 5th one does have an annual fee, but I think it justifies it, so watch to the end. First card on our list is the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. This is a basic cashback card and it has a sign-up bonus of $200 after spending $2,000 in the first 6 months. You're going to earn 6% back at grocery stores, up to $6,000 in your first year. You'll earn 2% back at gas stations, but places like Costco or wholesale clubs that have a gas station on site, they don't count. This is only for like dedicated gas stations. You will receive 2% back at department stores, select department stores, and here's a quick list. We have things like Macy's, Neiman Marcus, JCPenney's, and Sears. Then 1% back on everything else, and these points can be redeemed in the form of statement credit. Next on our list is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. You get a really great sign-up bonus with this card of $200 back, and you only have to spend $500 in 3 months. So that's going to be super easy. You also get back 5% at grocery stores up to $12,000 in the first year. So if you max that out, you're going to get another $600 in value on top of the $200 for the initial sign-up bonus. You get 5% back on travel purchased through the Ultimate Rewards travel portal. You get 3% back at restaurants, 3% back at drugstores, and then 1.5% on everything else. No annual fee and 0% APR for the first 15 months on the card. Next on the list is a Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. This gives you 2% back on everything, and it's very similar to the Citi Double Cash Card with 2% back on everything. And the reason I chose this over the Citi Double Cash is that this has a sign-up bonus of $200 after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. 0% APR for the first 15 months, no annual fee, and you have a few different ways that you can redeem these points. You can redeem them to offset purchases. You can have them deposited into your account. You can even take them out of the ATM in increments of $20, and then you can buy gift cards with them in increments of $25. It's a Visa Signature card, so you get access to the Visa Signature concierge service and then the luxury hotel collection. The big benefit the Citi Double Cash has over this card is that the Citi ecosystem, where you can transfer the points into thank you points and then redeem them for travel, and Wells Fargo doesn't have that option. Besides that, these cards are pretty close to each other. Next on our list is the Chase Freedom Flex Card, the brother card to the Freedom Unlimited. The big difference here is that the Freedom Flex offers 5% on rotating categories. These categories change every 3 months, so you get 4 of them a year, and 5% back up to $1,500 in spend. So if you spend a lot of money, you may get more value out of 1.5% versus 5% up to $1,500. The Freedom Flex also has the same sign-up bonus. You get $200 cash back after spending $500 in the first 3 months, and then 5% back on grocery stores up to $12,000 a year. So $200 cash back and then you maximize the spending at the grocery stores, that'll be another $600 back in the first year. The rotating categories will look something like this. In 2021, in quarter one, we had 5% back on wholesale, clubs, internet, and streaming services. In quarter two, we had gas stations and home improvement stores. Quarter three, we had grocery stores and some select streaming services. And then quarter four, we have 5% back at Walmart and PayPal. Now, you will have to activate these to be eligible, but Chase will send you plenty of emails to remind you to activate these categories, so it's not hard to remember. Some of the other similar benefits to the Freedom Unlimited is 5% back on travel booked through the Chase Rewards portal, 3% back on restaurants, dine-in, and takeaway and delivery, 3% on drugstores, and 1% on everything else. You're also gonna get some DoorDash credit. You're gonna get the first 3 months free of DoorDash subscription, which means no delivery charge on eligible purchases. And then the next 9 months, you're going to get 50% off your DoorDash subscription and 5% back on Lyft purchases. No annual fee and 0% APR for the first 15 months. Your points can be redeemed with statement credit. You can use them to shop on Amazon. You can redeem them for gift cards or redeem them for travel through the Chase Rewards portal. Last card on our list is the American Express Blue Cash Preferred card. This has an annual fee of $95, but it is waived for the first year. And you're going to get $300 cash back after spending $3,000 in the first 6 months. You're going to get 6% back on grocery stores up to $6,000 in spend in the first year. You're going to get 6% back on streaming services, 3% back on transit, which is taxis, trains, bus tickets, parking, and toll roads, 3% back at gas stations, and 1% back on everything else. This also comes with a $10 a month Equinox credit if you're interested in membership at the Equinox gyms. I think this card does justify the annual fee, but depending on your own spending habits, it may not be right for everybody. Now, all of these cards, you have to look at your own spending habits to see which one works better for you. Some people may find the Freedom Unlimited with 1.5% unlimited cash back a better value than like the Freedom Flex, where you get 5% back up to $1,500 and a quarter. So I'd love to hear what you think. What's your favorite cashback card, and what card should be on the list that I didn't put here? There's a couple others that I thought looked really good, but I didn't put them on the list because I didn't want the video to be too long. If you didn't hit the like button, I'd really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And then I want you to go have a good day, all right? Justin out.